For this question, he spends £1.78 in the shop. He uses some of his coins and he is given the rest in change. Including his change, he has exactly 4 coins left. List the coins he used to pay and list the coins he had left. First thing I'm going to do is find how much the total coins he's got, how much his worth is. So the total he has is £1 plus £1, which makes £2, plus 50 pence, plus 20 pence, plus 10 pence, plus 2 5 pences, plus 2 2 pences. So if I'm adding them two up, I got £1, £2, £2.50, £2.70, £2.80, £2.85, £2.90, £2.92, £2.94. So he's got £2.94 in coins, okay? He's spending £1.78. So let's have a look at some suggestions of getting to £1.78. If I take a £1 coin, a 50 pence piece, a 20 pence piece, that makes £1.70. Okay. If I took a 10 pence piece now, that would make £1.80, which would result in I've used the 4 coins, but I've still got 5 coins left. So I'm going to try and take a 5 pence. Alright, and that takes up to £1.75. If I take the other 5 pence, that would mean I'll have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins. I'd spend £1.80. I'd have 2 pence left, but I'd still have 4 coins plus the one that's given to me, so 5 coins, whereas I only need 4. So let's put the two pences in as well. So if I'm putting the two pences in, what that would do then is make it £1.50, £1.70, £1.75, £1.77, £1.79. So that comes to £1.79, which means, so I will have my change there would be 1 pence. So I've used up the £1 coin, the 50 pence coin, the 20 pence coin, the 5 pence coin, the 2 pence, 2 pence. I have still got that £1 coin, the 10 pence, another 5 pence, plus my 1 pence change. So that means the coins I've used to pay is done. It's a £1, 50 pence coin, a 20 pence coin, a 5 pence coin, a 2 pence coin, and another 2 pence coin. And the coins I got left at that point is another £1 coin, a 10 pence coin, the original 5 pence coin, and the 1 pence, which is my change. Right, question 6. Hey diddle diddle, the median's in the middle. You add and divide for the mean. The mode is the most, but wait, there's one more. The range is the difference between. So with the median, you put them in order from smallest to biggest, and it's the middle number. So I got a 36. I got a 45. I got a 56. I got a 61. I got a 74. I got a 77. I got 87. And I got 110. So now I'm going to tick the first off with the last, the second with the last but 1. The third with the last but 2, and I'm left with 61 and 74. When there's 2 numbers in the middle, you add them up. All right, so 61 add 74 is 135, and then divide by 2. So the median of these numbers is 67.5 centimeters. The mean, you add them all up and divide by how many they are. So you do 56 plus 45 plus 110 plus 77 plus 87 plus 61 plus 74 plus 36, and that equals, on the calculator, 546. And then because there's 8 numbers, we divide by 8, and 546 divided by 8 is 68.25 centimeters. the range is the biggest take away the smallest. So my biggest number is 110, my smallest number is 36, and 110 take away 36 is 74 centimetres. Right, describe in words the rule for each of the following sequences. So don't forget, it must be in words. It's going down, so it's likely to be subtract or divide, okay? It's going down by the same amount, there's 12 between them. So what you're doing here is you're subtracting 12 from the previous term. So every time we're taking away 12. The next one is going up. That's a gap of 4, then that's a gap of 20. So it's not going up by the same amount. So it means you're multiplying. How many 1s in 5? How many 5s in 25? The answer is 5. So you times in by 5. Okay, so the answer to that one is multiply the previous term by 5. Right, square roots. So if you're using your calculator, the square root on your calculator is there. Okay, so you type in square root 1.44 equals 1.2. So square root of 1.44 equals 1.2. The next one, 5.2 cubed. The x cubed button is up in this top right there. You can either press x to the 3, or you can press the power button and then put 3 in. Alright, so I'm going to press the x cubed button and it comes up as 140.608. Right, 9% as a decimal means 9 out of 100. Alright, so 9 divided by 100. Because it's under 10%, you have to remember to put that 0 in. So it's 0.09. Chris has £10. He goes into the shop to buy notebooks at 68 pence each. What is the most he can do? If I change 10 pence into pounds, sorry, 10 pounds into pence, £10 is 100 pence in 100, so in the pound, so 10 times 100 is 1,000, so it's 1,000 pence. So I'm going to do 1,000 now divided by 68 to see how many I can buy. So if I'm doing 1,000 divided by 68, that comes up as 14. Alright, so it means I can buy 14 notebooks. Right, what is the change? I'm going to work out that the 14 notebooks cost, alright, 14 I'm buying at 68 pence each. So 14 times 68 pence. So I'm going to do this one in pounds. You could do it in pence, it doesn't matter. Alright, you type in 14 times 0.68. which comes up as £9.52. So to work out the change then, the change is £10 take away £9.52, which is 48 pence or 0.48 pounds. When you're finding a fraction of a quantity, you divide by the bottom and times by the top. So you're taking 63, you're dividing by 9 and multiplying by 4. So 63 divided by 9 is 7. 7 4s are 28. Question number 8. When you're collecting the like terms together, you look for the letters. You've got A plus A. A plus A makes 2A. And now I'm looking at the B's. 3B take away 4B. You're starting at plus 3. You're taking away 4. So you're ending up at minus 1. Which you don't have to put the minus 1 in. So it becomes minus B. Part B. Thinks of a number. Multiply means times. So you're timesing by 4. Subtract means take away. You're taking away 7. And you want the answer to be 41. So what you have to do now is think either put numbers in there like 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 take away 7 is 25. But not enough, so I need to go higher, or you can do the opposite. The opposite of take away 7 is add 7. So 41 add 7 is 48. And then the opposite of times 4 is divide by 4. So 48 divided by 4 gives me an answer of 12, because 12 fours take away 7 is 48.